So let's look at shall we first up? Let's look at SAUSD and today unemployment claim actually came in a way that dollar reacted and gold buying resumed at 2,736, beating my point by a point by 1 point. We projected 2,735 into 2,730. One thing worthy of note is to see that the price action at this level is very strong, and we must stay on a single line and watch and see what the market does. At this level, the market have a very strong price action, where we have here a supply roof, break of a supply roof, break of a demand floor. After a retest, you can see a potential retest on that level. When that candle returned, we retested that place as a demand floor before ultimately breaking the structure and to return there as a supply roof 1, supply roof 2, supply roof 3, and price came at supply roof 4. Now, the, the strategy is simple that if price breaks out in there, we have an immediate supply roof on this level. That's going to be the first immediate supply roof we are going to have. After a break of structure, the next candle so we're going to have the acting as a demand floor, demand floor, demand floor, and break of structure. So what we are going to see is the price breaks out from that structure, then we ultimately come here for sell 2,785. So 2,785 will return here to retest the broken supply roof as a demand floor, 2,764. And from that level, you may think we'll buy back, and the market might even retrace up to 2,758, maybe into 55, and buy back to challenge the current all-time high. So at this level, I want you to set your sell order on this structure. I will tell you why you should set a sell order on this level. I have a double confluence on that level, 2,780. There's a double confluence, and the price is just a few pips into that zone. And let us not forget that the current structure of the market have the ability to break the current all-time high without any disturbance or delay. The structure is very clean, and it also shows that buyers are actively defending every layer broken. Every layer broken are being defended by buyers. And that could technically means presence of liquidity, meaning institutions are willing to buy gold at a high price, despite retail traders complaining of the high price of the gold bar. So if institution decides to go long, irrespective of what you think, the market will continue to surge. That is the beauty of analyzing the financial market. Those who call the shots are the money makers. How many trillion do you have? So those who run the show are the money men. So set your sell order on that level. I expect that there should be significant retest on that level from the market because I believe there's going to be a significant retest on that level. I'm very confident that the market will want to retest that level. A level we want to be tested. So we're going to watch it to see what price does. If it becomes a new supply with on this level, I believe that the market is going to react on this level. Now, one more thing we want to look at is now we have seen the structure, we have seen the mid-term sell. On this level, we're expecting a mid-term sell. Now, something happened which I want to point out before the market opened in a few minutes that the market broke out from the demand floor and sold and quickly returned back. The last time price did that kind of thing ended up in a buy. So I think at the moment, let's watch that. Buyers still have opportunity and they are trying to prove a point. But one good thing about our strategy is that it enables us to stay guided in the market. No matter the level of volatility in the market, it helps us stay guided and it gives us that opportunity to catch the right price action. Now, what we are seeing here is a classic only move, and we have here an ascending trend line and also a green breakout structure on that one. And I want to hold the 4 hours candle body responsible for that signal. So if we hold the 4 hours candle body, excluding the wick of the candle, if we are holding the body of the candle active, then we know that there's also an opportunity for price to swing once again. And at this level, we have a clean breakout. So what we technically see is that market may want to try its last opportunity. It's going to try its last opportunity to see if it can break a supply roof. A break of a supply roof in this case will become a demand for outline. A break of 2,764 technically becomes a demand on retest that level because price has established a strong sentiment on that level. So if we break that level, technically everybody changes his bias and aligns with the bearish everybody's thinking to continuous selling in line with the overall trend which is bullish. So we have two structure on this level giving us an ascending trend line. And on that structure we have got the paper structure and the possible interest in price will come in the zone of 2763.8 and have reacted yesterday. And we hope that this reaction would stand the test of time. But after a poor unemployment data report coming in more than expected, then we see that gold buying have resumed. And besides, investors were also listening to see what the monetary outlook of the Federal Reserve. But at the moment, let's look at the structure of the market and see why on 4 hours we defended. So let's look at the structure on 4 hours. So you can see on 4 hours we have that price broke back and returned to demand floor. And a return of price into the demand floor on 4 hours is also a technical indication that buying potential is still very good. After price doing a double top here, and we begin to retest the neckline of the double top on several occasions before it breaks the structure and price will come back. And the reason price will come back can also be found in the price action from this level. We have a very strong price action from this level. Very strong price action. So every price action we see, we want to. Now my litmus test for sell is going to be on this structure. So why I chose this structure to be my litmus test is because on this level, a breakout from this structure will ultimately guide us in our sell analysis. We have here price creating the demand floor, break of the demand floor become a supply roof, break of the supply roof, price turns on demand and create a high, break of the structure, price of sold, return back, use of the demand floor to buy, and price returns back again and buy. So if we break out from this structure ultimately, then we are now exposed to the true sell idea. This is what I want to see. We want to see full exposure to the buy sentiment. So we need that exposure. But for us to get that exposure, then we must be very much technical. We must apply all technical strategies we have in our arsenal. You see that we are patient and wait upon price to return to us in technical. So you see here as a potential flaw. In our previous post, we had a flaw, and never mind about this. I like this structure of price coming into this place. We returning back into the trend. So this is what might likely play out. This is what might likely play out. And let's clone the structure and see what the structure is saying. And if we have opportunity and the structure is correct, then we can manipulate it and see what we can make out of the structure. So we are trying to gauge it to see if there are resemblance. And if you provided a strong price action unknowingly, then we can now see what to do with it. But if you didn't, we throw it away and forget about it. Because one thing in the market is always going to do whatever it wants to do. So we prioritize our own, you know, understanding, and we want to see we aren't getting what we want in the structure. what I can see is that side of sell angle is providing a sell structure. So let's forget about it and focus on what has given us what we want. So as the market opens, I think most likely the market may search. They look for an opportunity to buy. Now we have a structure here in the zone of 2,772. 2,772, and the price might ultimately want to test that. And the break above that level will certainly want to test 2,789, your current all-time high. So set your sell order on that level. Put your sell order on that level. I want you to put your sell order here on this level. On this level, there's a potential sell opportunity on this level. There's a potential sell opportunity on this level. So this is what you should do and setting sell order on this level. While market returns here to respect this structure, our technical is going to drop maybe about 100 pip because that area is a strong institutional zone. So we return into that area. We technically push market by over 100 pip. Very high profit. Value also. So this is what we want to see. So we must be patient